Hello, an exciting day for me today as my Porsche 911, the 997.1, is getting its new audio system and sat-nav system. So I will have Apple CarPlay. If you've seen a previous video, you will have seen that I asked a few questions, didn't know what to get, asked all your opinions. I had loads of feedback. Thank you very much for that. From that, I got in touch with a couple of experts in the field, one called Jay from Black Ice, and he came over, had a look at the car, installed many versions of systems into 997.1s over the years, knew exactly what he was doing, then proceeded to give me a quote, popped over, was coming over now to put in the system for me, and I am very excited about it. Before I do that, I'm going to ask you, if you're on any groups that relate to 997s, this might be relevant from them, so please do share this video to those groups. Anyway, here is the information about what I'm having installed today. So we are here with the 911 997.1, and I've got Jay with me, who has just installed, he's from Black Ice, he's just installed for me the Kenwood in-car system. So you're going to tell me, what have we had done, Jay?
Yep. So in this vehicle, we've got the Kenwood 8021DABS. It's one of the latest units from Kenwood. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, digital radio, Bluetooth, USB-C, various other features. Most people do this upgrade purely because they want the access to the wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. Benefits from navigation, which you can use Waze, Apple Maps, Google Maps. There's several different platforms you can use on there. Also access to digital radio. But yeah, they're a fantastic bit of kit. They integrate perfectly with the car. There's no cables been cut, nothing's been modified. Everything essentially just plugs in. Apart from
I love the fact that, unlike the Porsche PCCM version, this is true wireless, and we've just been going through it. I'm so pleased that I've gone with this option. Also, that wasn't the only thing we did, was it?
No,
put the headwind in.
It's also had a DLS 3-way speaker upgrade in there with the optional 8-inch subwoofer in each door. So they've all been upgraded, including the centre speaker in the dashboard as well. Even without the amplifier, the difference is like night and day. But it's a well worthwhile upgrade, as I'm sure you can.
Yeah. I'm now looking forward to taking it across 2 weeks and over to Portugal in it, and I now shouldn't get lost, and if I do get lost I'll get rerouted, so that's okay. So I'm really pleased. Thanks, Jay, really appreciate this.
Thank you.
It's been such a good job. He knew exactly how to take everything apart, how to put it back together, and the detail was absolutely immense, so thank you. Thank you. I'm now going to go and enjoy this car. That's it, lovely sunny day, and that install is all finished now, and I have to go out, enjoy the car with the stereo and the sat nav in there, and so I'm really looking forward to that. Also the upgraded speakers. We also, I didn't mention during the video, is put a camera in there as well, so that's quite good. Got that in there, and so I'm going to go and enjoy that. Thanks a lot for getting this far. If you wouldn't mind, hit that like button, share to like-minded friends or onto groups that might find it interesting, and if you're feeling really generous, hit that subscribe button. It does absolute wonders to small channels like this. And until the next video, JP out.